Today I'm going to teach you how to get to know your audience with 2 simple questions and a survey you create in about 30 seconds. My name is Michael Comeau and I used to manage surveys for one of the largest automotive companies in the world, and those surveys were used to do things like analyze consumer sentiment, analyze people's attitude towards new car technologies like hybrids and electrics, and even name luxury cars. So I'm a big survey nerd. I could write a whole book about surveys. To me, the most valuable type of survey is one with open-ended questions where people can write about their goals, wishes, and desires in their own words. Because here's a reality. People don't care about the categories you want to put them in. They care about what they want. And if you do things correctly, they will tell you exactly what they want in their words. And that means they are literally writing sales copy for you. They are telling you which products to create. They are creating the customer journey. So they will do all the work for you, and all you have to do is ask them 2 simple questions. Go to Google Forms, Jotform, whatever you want to use. I use Google Forms myself because it's free and it's super easy. Question number 1 is, what is your goal for the next 90 days? You are going to modify this to fit what you are producing. Let's say you're a guitar instructor. You might imagine people say things like, oh, I want to learn basic chords. I want to learn how to hold the guitar. I want to learn how to strum the guitar. Reality is, you're more likely to get answers like, I want to learn how to play that Taylor Swift song. I want to play my favorite Nirvana song. That gives you an awful lot of valuable market research. And again, that's just one question. Question number 2, what is your goal for the next 12 months? And again, we modify this for the audience. So it could be, what is your goal for your golf over the next 12 months, or your poker playing, or your chess, or your investing, or your public speaking, or whatever it is? This gives you a sense of people's intermediate goals. So if you have the short-term goal and you have the intermediate goal, you have a pretty good idea of what the roadmap needs to be in terms of content, the products you create, the ads you make, all that stuff. And again, you have all this amazing market research because your potential customers, your audience is saying, I want this very specific thing. So if you give it to them, you get engagement. They pay you money. It's really simple. You're probably thinking now, what about demographic data? Things like age, gender, income, stuff like that. Now that can all be very valuable information, but most of the time you need to know what are people's goals, and you're going to show them how you can help them get there. That's all you really need to know to help get people where they want to go. And that's what business is all about. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that stuff. I'm going to have a lot more videos about marketing and writing and messaging. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you soon. Bye.